Hey viewers, hope you're doing good. Today we came up with another video, a new content and a latest phone. As you can see, my hands are on Apple's latest phone SE 2020. So let's go and find out what's new in this phone. First of all, remove these two bottom screws using 0.8 mm penta-hole screwdriver. Then while lifting the screen, gently push in the guitar pick and cut the adhesive of the screen. Do the same on the other side. Pull the screen about half centimeter. Make sure don't damage these LCD and home button flex cables. Gently open it like a book. Now unscrew 4 of them using 1.2 mm Phillips screwdriver. Now disconnect wireless coil, charging port, battery, ringer, display and home button. But always battery first. Unscrew 3 of them using 1.2 mm Phillips screwdriver. Disconnect front camera and your LCD is released. Screen looks like same as iPhone 8, so we'll try if it's interchangeable. Let's see now if screen, front camera and rear camera from iPhone 8 works on new SE 2020. Replace with iPhone 8 main camera, LCD screen and front camera from iPhone 8. Let's turn it on. It's showing the Apple logo. Yeah, it's got the display. Thumbprint won't work because the home button is not connected. Let's see if both cameras from iPhone 8 also work on new SE. Yes, both cameras are interchangeable. Now let's go ahead and take the rest of the phone apart and see what else is interchangeable. Now remove these 4 screws using tri-wing 0.6 mm screwdriver. Touch ID shield. Use thin aluminum card to remove Touch ID. Gently push it in to break adhesive. Once adhesive is broken, the home button is released. Now again using 1.2 mm Phillips screwdriver, unscrew 5 of them. Now remove the shield, earpiece and then front camera. As you can see, both the iPhone 8 and SE front cameras are same. Here comes both iPhone 8 and SE. Earpiece are interchangeable. Unscrew these 3 and 3 other side, 6 in total, using 0.6 mm tri-wing screwdriver. Now pull the shield and detach it from the screen, but make sure the display wire shouldn't be pulled. Good news for repairers. Even the chassis or back glass are same on both phones, so they are interchangeable too. Unscrew 6 of them now, again with Phillips 1.2, and remove the Wi-Fi antenna. Unscrew them using 2.5 mm PH000. Then take motherboard and rear camera out. Again, the same rear camera as iPhone 8. Now remove the battery. In order to remove the battery, we have to pull these 4 strips, 2 on top and 2 in the bottom side of the battery. Even the battery looks similar, still unable to be interchanged in between. Unscrew all of these and remove ringer, vibrator and charging port. Now the charging ports on iPhone 8 and SE are interchangeable. Even the Taptic engines on both are same. Now if you unscrew 1, 2, 3 this side, 1, 2 other side and these 2 on top, and then your power button will be removed. Now let's go ahead and assemble it back together. Thanks for watching the teardown. If you really like the video, please hit the subscribe button and leave any question in the comment section, and check our previous video about Huawei P40 full teardown. I'll leave the link in the description and it already appeared on top right corner of the screen.